everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder bag no matches. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder bag no matches, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list of apps, you will search about the window of Tinder. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache, and in the end, you can go to Play Store. You will search about Tinder. You will find here uninstall, and you will wait a moment, and you can install again your app. If it's not working, you can turn off your phone, and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.